I'm Seren, I'm an accessibility advocate, nail art lover, and a huge fan of unicorns, and this is how I code. I got a really cool Chrome extension which assessed websites to see how dyslexic friendly they were and gave developers a really cool little drop down box with areas they could improve, like not using icon fonts and choosing to not use bold text. It meant a lot to me because I want to make the web a better place. When I edit CSS files, I usually do things like change the border of boxes and change the colour of different elements. And I don't usually want that bit, I usually want 1 or 2 lines that actually do the job. So when I come to commit it, I use git add -p to make sure that I'm only adding those 1 or 2 lines and none of the other weird, funky things. I'm Seren, I'm the nail art advocate.